Hi everyone, this is your girl Keisha here. Welcome back. I'm going to prepare a egg sandwich and vegetable omelette. So, for you to achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, let's get started. So here I have my 4 eggs and all my vegetables well prepped and ready. So here I'm gonna crack my eggs one at a time. So there it is. So I have 1 egg cracked into this bowl, and I'm going to take the white bit from the egg, that they call it the high from the egg. So this is one of the reasons why I'm going to crack them one at a time to remove it from the egg. So there it is. So I'm going to crack the next one as what you see, and it's going to repeat throughout with the 4 eggs. Remove the white high from the egg. So there it is. So again guys, this is a repeat procedure with the 4 egg, step by step, to remove it. Because to be frank, I don't like the white bits in my egg, so I always try to remove it from it. And there it is. So this will be the last bit, the white high, that I'm gonna remove from the last egg that I put in the bowl. So in total I have 4 eggs. So now I have my black pepper, the fine grained black pepper, and salt. There it is. So I will add all these 2 ingredients in the egg now. There it is. So I will really mix the egg, like beat it together properly, so we'll have the egg beat out evenly. So the black pepper and the salt marinate evenly in the egg. So there it is. So now I'm gonna add my red onions. So I just have a portion of red onions, not much, and a small portion of sweet pepper. And I'm gonna add some of my tomato, just a portion of it, because you don't want to put too much, and beat not too hard, because you don't want it to really scramble out your vegetable too much in the egg. So slowly beat it again. So here I'm gonna add a bit of olive oil in the pan, just to grease it. And the pan was also on low heat, so it's not super hot and you don't want it to be too hot. So stir the oil so the oil can even out in the pan. Because what I don't want my egg sandwich and vegetable hamlet to be stuck. So here I poured it out in the pan. Make sure it all even out properly. Get the rest out of the bowl, rest of the egg out of the bowl. So I put that one side because it's not needed anymore. So it's important to add your green, fresh spinach in the egg when the pan is very, when the stove is very low and the pan is not that hot. Because if it's too hot, you're gonna cook the egg too fast and you won't get the result by adding your spinach in it. It will just cook too fast, so it will just ruin your egg sandwich and vegetable hamlet. You just ruin it. So the way I'm doing it is the best way at the moment. So you just add your fresh green spinach in it before you even gauge the heat. So you can do it two way. You can put it on very, very low heat, or because the pan is hot, you can just turn it off for a quick second, and then when you add all your spinach in and cover it with the egg, as what you see I'm doing, try to make sure it's sealed with the egg so it's covered. Then you just turn the stove back on. So you can do it two way, but I've done it, turned on my stove very, very low, because I've done this sandwich, this egg sandwich and vegetable omelette many times. But if you're trying it and you want to be comfortable doing it, just make sure your pan have enough heat, not super hot, just have equal heat. Then you just turn the stove off and add your spinach and cover it with the egg, and then turn the stove back on and slow heat. You'll be fine. So there it is. I've given it some time, love, and patience. Says everything take time. So it's so beautiful. It smells very delicious. So this is my egg sandwich and vegetable omelette. This is a breakfast, or you can have it for lunch, but for me, I'm having it for my breakfast. So this is a breakfast meal, guys. So there it is. So I turned it and it's locked. So that's what I want. So that's what I'm doing now. So what I'm doing now, I'm just make sure I turn the egg sandwich and vegetable omelette on each rotation, just to make sure both sides are done properly and inside is not raw. So I'm gonna have to flip it over a few times to make sure inside is cooked. And also, guys, if you don't like it this way, you can just turn it over without closing it. So if you don't want it to be like a closed sandwich, you can just turn it around and make the original omelette by not having it closed. But with me, I want it to close because I'm doing an egg sandwich and vegetable omelette. So there it is. Okay, so here is the delicious egg sandwich and vegetable omelette. So now I have to serve a small portion of fresh tomato that I have left over. This egg omelette, I should said in the beginning of the video that I didn't add any milk and I choose not to. So guys, if you like milk in your egg, hamlet, you can add it, or if you like cheese also, you can add it. So it's your preference. So yes guys, it tastes really good, and you see the color inside of the egg, so it's properly cooked. So yes guys, if you wanted to see more of this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any question that you want to ask me, please leave a message below. Even if you want to see more of this type of video, or you want to see me do it in different way, you can comment. If you want to see me do it the original way with the milk, you can comment also. So yes guys, thank you for watching. Bye.